everyone, GROB today organized an event in Hyderabad with the theme around precision and performance in aerospace manufacturing, and we are here to take you through the event.
Today in Hyderabad, we had an excellent technology evening together with our partners, SolidCAM, Sandvik and SCHUNK. Okay, 3 partners together, and we had more than 250 customers witnessing our technology evening and sharing their thoughts with us, and we made an excellent presentations with a lot of technical informations which they can carry back along with them about GROB products, GROB technology, GROB expertise in aerospace applications, and today focus was on aerospace.
This evening, especially about aerospace, we expect many customers together with our partners, and we're really looking forward to this event, seeing as India is a expanding market for the aerospace industry with great potential for high-tech machines offering the most efficient ways of manufacturing here in India.
I would like to thank GROB for this great opportunity. As a partner, we could able to do this technology day innovation seminar along with GROB, Sandvik and also with SCHUNK. And from SolidCAM, we offer solution for all metal cutting technologies. Process, whether it's starting from simple 2-axis milling up to 5-axis simultaneous milling, turning, turn mill and mill turn up to 16 axis, including the Swiss type solution.
Today we have partnered with GROB, Sandvik, SolidCAM, and together we have done this technology seminar event, and it is a very great success. We had around 200 plus customers, and we could share some of our new innovative products which are very much important for this industry for improving their productivity and processes, and it's a great event.
Sandvik is happy to be associated with GROB. For Sandvik, GROB is a strategic account, a very important account for us. In India, we work very closely with GROB, and we are happy to be a part of this event in Hyderabad.
We had a very successful event in Hyderabad. So the response was more than expected. Like we had 200 plus the customers, and we are thankful to all our partners like SolidCAM, SCHUNK and Sandvik. Okay, so it was a very successful event, and we look forward to have many more such events in near future. Like we have planned in many other cities as well. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you.